All good, guys.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So this is hi everyone. I'm Fardin Mahmoud Tanvi. Our group will be displaying our in-depth analysis of Anton Oil Company using SQL, Excel, and financial reporting today. So in the, initially, I'm gonna talk about introductions. We'll be going into setup of database, running SQL queries, analyzing in Excel our final financial performance, and in the end, here is our conclusion. And secondly, I'm going to talk about database setup. We created a MySQL database with MHP MyAdmin. We created the oil company and we named it with our student ID. So provided the SQL file in the assignment. This setup created all needed tables which have details about experts, production oil types, employees, and companies. Once all tables were loaded correctly, we executed our SQL queries and exported the data to analyze. Thank you.
Hello, this is Abiraj
Next,
Mahi. How do our SQL queries work? Weekly export report. Yeah. Our initial inquiry extracted weekly report data. The inner join operations were performed on different tables, gathering all the information needed, like which type of oil, country, which exports it, company name, quantity, and data export. This enabled us to conduct an export performance, a segmentation in a regional context. Our second query looked at daily production data. The data include production records, wells, filtration stations, and types of oils. From this, we developed a full report deadline in the product, then the results were extracted on Excel, from where we arranged and condensed data to be able to identify trends for production levels and key performance areas. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Redwan Rahman Lovon. In this part, we used Microsoft Excel to make the data easier to understand. After collecting the data from SQL, we imported it into Excel. This helped us organize the data in a clear and simple way. We used basic tools like sorting and filtering to find important information. For example, we could easily identify which products had the highest sales and which regions performed better.
all good.
We also created simple tables to summarize the data. This made it easier to compare different results and understand the overall performance. One of the main advantages of Excel is that it is very user friendly. It does not require complex coding and it helps us quickly see patterns and trends. However, Excel is not always best choice for very large database. In those cases, SQL works better. Overall, Excel helped us to clearly understand the data and supported our analysis in a simple and effective way. Thank you. Now start Atikur Rahman.
All good.
Hi, it's me, Atikur Rahman, and my student ID is 242360. Well, I will present the financial reports and the closer remarks. According to our financial analysis, Anton Well Company export delivered around 22.9 billion barrels, yielding approximately 1.47 billion USD dollar in revenue, salaries, maintenance, and electricity made for a total of around 3.21 million US dollar in quarterly expenses. This has rendered a very high net profit post that talk about the financial performance for a company, while larger expenses were small talk about maintenance cost, indicating a space for a cost optimization. Now I will talk about conclusion. In summary, our show SQL shows that Anton Oil Company is a very lucrative business model and operations. Through SQL and Excel, we extracted, analyzed, and present some good business insights to ease future growth. We advise that increase efficiencies and the enter higher value markets. Thank you for your listening. We are open to answer any questions. Thank you.
All good? Okay, guys.
Thank you.